Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink. So at first we're going to search for Discord Bloxlink very quickly, and this is the first link that comes up. So we're going to click on that. Now it says enter your Roblox username. So mine is fabthegamer1001, so we're going to put exactly that, but make sure you put up your username, not mine. So 1001, and then click on get verified now, and they're going to authenticate. You see it says you need to verify your account in order to perform that position, and in order to do that, just head over to Discord and log in on the browser, and then click on add Blocklinks HQ, and then you're going to click on anything, just skip, or you could just click on add bot support. Then you just need to reload the, and then it's gonna say access your username and all these things, and you're gonna click on authorize just over here. As you can see, it's fetching everything, and it says that block links. So if we head over to our Discord, this is the block links, and as you can see that I'm inside general. So if I click on complete, so these are everything. So I have read and click on submit. If I click on hi, as you can see, I'm officially inside the block links, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. So once I'm inside Discord, all I'll do is type in my username here one more time, and then click on get verified now. So it says authorize Roblox, so we're going to click on next, and then as you can see we're logged in. So for now it says you're not allowed because I'm facing some issues, but if you just click on continue, it's gonna verify this for you, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.